Yo, Jojo, let's play Kizomba.
Hey guys, welcome to Let's Play Kizomba School. So, first, let me introduce you.
Jenny?
Jenny, Let's Play Kizomba. As you know, she was my first partner. I learned Kizomba with Jenny. So now, she will give the class with me in all the school. Like you can see, she's on the logo Let's Play Kizomba. We begin together, and now we are again together to teach you all our knowledge. First, we will begin by how to dance and how to do the basic one and the basic two. And then next class. So, very easy. She will be on this position. I will be on this position. Men, you will always begin with the left foot.
Girls, you have to begin with the right foot.
So, on the first step, the basic one, it's a little movement of the hips with the leg together. So, I will be like this with my left arm and my right like that. And
I will be like this with my right arm, and I will be like that with my left.
And then we begin very slow. Me with the left, her with the right. 5, 6, slow on 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. Think about a little movement with your hips and your leg in the same time. 1. Okay, you go 1 like this, you go 2 like this. Now we will see the basic 2. Basic 2, very easy. We go on the side, it's side to side. 2 step, very easy. I begin with my left.
I begin with my right.
Same position. 5, 6, basic 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. Together. I will dance together. So like I told you, my left and her right, and then I come here to close the connection. Okay? So 5, 6, and basic 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and basic 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. 5, 6, basic 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. Last one, like this, same thing. 5, 6, basic 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and basic 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. Woo! I hope you got it.
DC Beats Music.
5, Jojo,
6,
let's play
basic
Kizomba.
5, 6, basic 2. 5, 6, and basic 1. 5, 6, and basic 2. Okay, together. And 5, 6, slow basic 1. And 5, 6, and basic 2. 5, 6, basic 1. 5, 6, basic 2. 5, 6, basic 1. Basic 1. 5, 6, basic 2. 5, 6, here we go. What's the ball?